Okay, bro, welcome back to the live trading video. Today we are gonna do live trading, okay? So let's go straight into it. We are gonna trade Nasdaq today and market will open actually in 1 minute. So let's do together, let's go through it, let's go through the strategy and then let's see how we do it, okay? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark 4 hour and 1 hour highs and lows, as well as session highs and lows. Okay, so I'm doing that right now. Then here is a low, and then let's go to 1 hour chart. What do we have? We have here one high, we have one high here, and currently we are sweeping this low right now here. Okay, so we have that. Okay, maybe we can also mark this low, but I doubt that the price will go that down. Okay, and now let's see what structure are we in. We are in bearish structure. Okay, so what is actually my strategy? My strategy is like this. Whenever we have a price action, okay, we are waiting that the price goes through one of those 1 hour or 4 hour highs and lows, okay? And that means that the liquidity sweep happens. For example, here you see the price went down below this line. This was a Tokyo session low, okay? Below this line, and then it swept liquidity. So now we are waiting that the price maybe goes up, okay? And then when the price goes above this blue line, it means that it broke structure, and that means that we have a potential for a trend reversal, okay? So right now we are in a bearish trend, but if we close above this line, then we are in a bullish trend, and then we can catch a trade and like hit all of those positions, I mean all of those targets here on the top, okay? So right now the stock market already opened. Wait, let me just turn on this indicator that I downloaded from Craig. Okay. Nah, not this one. Shit, sorry. Because I'm gonna use it to place my orders. Okay, whatever. Let's put it randomly. Okay, good. Okay, so now we are waiting. Stock market just opened. Let me draw you again what the idea is. Okay, so right now we are in a bearish trend. So what will happen is we will wait that the price sweeps, let's say here liquidity, okay? Here the price swept liquidity like this. We go up, we close, we break structure. So now we are in a bullish trend. Then the price will come down into this order block, okay, that happened. And then here we are gonna go to 1 minute chart, wait for break of structure to the upside again, and then we're gonna go and catch the trade and go up, 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 okay? So that's the strategy. You can also watch the full strategy playlist that I created recently, where I explain every single thing in detail, and it's gonna be quite helpful for you, I think. Okay, yesterday we also had massive news drop. As you can see, yesterday we had FMOC news, okay? So the government actually decided that that they are gonna lower interest rates by 0.25, by 25 points, let's say. And I managed to catch a trade, okay? I actually entered into 2 trades, one here without stop loss, and I caught another one somewhere here just below, I remember, and I was targeting then those highs here that happened. Okay, no, that was here, sorry, one here below and one also here somewhere in the middle, and I was targeting this line here before the news drop, and I made 2 risk reward ratios, which means around 30 euros. Okay, so yeah, but now we are waiting, and that's about it. Maybe we can go to YouTube. By the way, bro, I also have my own Discord. If you want to join, here, let me open it. It's called Stock Manipulators, and we have daily analysis, trading breakdowns. Okay, now the internet is slow, but yeah, okay, we have trading analysis, trading breakdowns, self-improvement content, memes, educational tutorials, and everything. So here you have my trading strategy explained, and so on and so on. So feel free to join, bro. Feel free to join. Okay, let's see what's happening. I don't want to get fucking copyright strike, you know. So yeah, let's go. Let's put this one. Let's put the sound a little bit lower, slower. Okay. But I can barely hear something. Okay. Okay. Are we gonna go below this line? Are we gonna sweep liquidity here? Yes, we swept liquidity and we closed. So what does that mean, bro? That I no longer have this line as valid, okay? Because we already swept this liquidity right now here. Let's see what happens. We are still in a downtrend. I am quite tempted to press sell, to be honest, but we have to be patient. Okay, let's see what we are actually targeting. Okay, we have here this fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna mark this one just in case. We have here this fair value gap as well that perfectly correlates with this fair value gap on the 1 hour chart. Okay, good. Let's see what the price will do, okay? Because sooner or later we will have to fill all of those fair value gaps here and all of those imbalances, okay? So I'm not worried. Patient pace. So yeah, let's see. Today I need to go to the swimming pool, bro. Look, I need to still catch up with all of those swimming sessions that I missed, man. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, man. The whole week I didn't go to do any sport, man. Fuck my life. Okay, we swept another liquidity. Are we gonna sweep also this one? Most likely. The lower we go, yeah. The lower we go, the higher chances we have. I mean, the higher the profit it's gonna be, you know. So whenever you see that the stock market is pumping down, okay, that the stock market is falling, don't be afraid, bro, because the higher we go, the lower we go, the better the chances we have for nice trades, okay? Okay, are we gonna respect this fair value gap? Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Wow, if we close, then this whole 4 hour fair value gap will become a bearish fair value gap, inversed one actually. Okay, here we have another one.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Oh, did we hit? I need to check. Nah, we didn't. Or have we? Nah. Oh shit, okay. Wow, that one was crazy. But now we're gonna hit for sure, man. Okay, we hit it as well. Stock market is falling like crazy, eh? Let's see here on the 4 hour. Okay, we hit that fair value gap. Now we seem to be bouncing a little bit. Perhaps, who knows? But we are still in manipulation zone, okay? So manipulation time happens in the first 10 minutes after the stock market opens, because right now the banks and financial institutions, they are trying to convince people that we are gonna go lower, okay? Because we already had that sell off, okay? So now people are pressing to go short, but then we will slowly reverse up, and then we are gonna take those shorters out, okay? And then we're just gonna print up, I hope, and hit all of those targets here. Of course, I can be wrong. That would be amazing to see, but we do whatever market tells us to do, okay? Like, we just observe the market and that's it, okay? I additionally marked here London session high because I didn't mark it, but yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see what happens. We are still printing. We are in 1 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna mark it. Nah, not from here. From here. Okay. This is 1 hour GOR. GOR in Slovenian means up. Okay, so this is, I know that it's a bullish fair value gap. And then here we are in the 4 hour fair value gap. 4 hour GOR. Okay, good. Let's go back to 5 minutes. Okay, now we are printing a green candle. That's good, I guess. The 4 hour candlestick will close in 20 minutes. So then we will see if this will actually become inverse fair value gap or not. But yeah, let's take a look. Let's see. We have all the time in the world, bro. We have nice music, nice Discord community, trading. That's it. That's it. We chilling. Let's take a look what's happening in Yahoo Finances. Yeah, true. This week we had quite many tech companies who were reporting reports. So let's see. Oh, this song is such a nice song, honestly. Okay, whatever. Good. Okay, it seems that we are stopping here in this support, or yeah, whatever, support resistance line, whatever. We are stopping here because it makes quite a lot of sense, because we have 1 hour fair value gap, we have 4 hour fair value gap. So yeah, we stopped here, we swept all of that liquidity, all of this short-term liquidity that happened. Wait, when was it? The beginning of the week? Yeah, it was here. Yeah, okay, I guess. Yeah, I doubt that we will go all the way here. But yeah, here you see, since Monday actually, we were going only up, 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 up. So of course it makes sense that we also now go down, because here people were having so many positions, you know, like here, 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 here. All of those positions were opened, and now we started sweeping them, okay? So of course it makes sense that the stock market fell that much. Okay, good. We are printing green candles. This is what we want to see. Perhaps the trend will change slowly. And then let's see what happens. If we go in the next 15 minutes above this line, then the fair value gap will appear again. This fair value gap will appear again, and then we know that for sure this fair value gap has a lot of buy orders. So we shall see. I mean, for sure nothing is for sure on the stock market, okay? But we have higher chance that this might have a lot of buying orders, okay? On a 1 minute chart, we are already probably in a bullish structure. Not yet. When this closes, we are in a bullish market. I mean, in a bullish trend. Okay, we are officially in bullish trend on the 1 hour candle. I mean, on the 1 hour chart. But we have to first see that we have the change of character or break of structure on the 5 minute, okay? Because higher time frames hold higher power, okay? You see, this is what I was telling you, you know, people were going short here because they were thinking that we are still gonna dump, and now the price is going up and it's taking all of those shorters out, you know. For example, one guy pressed a short here, he put the stop loss above this high, okay, like this, for example, above this high, he went down and now he is out of the position because the price went up and stopped him, you know what I'm saying? one guy pressed it here, he said, okay, we are gonna go even lower to this little point. Nope, we didn't. We went up. You see? What is this? I had to trade. Whatever. Can I actually delete this? Nah, whatever, okay. Okay, on 1 minute we are already ripping probably, but it's never a good idea to go out of the 1 minute. But technically, you know, when we broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute chart, here with this candle we could actually press buy here and then just go stop loss below those lows, and we would be right now already how much? 0.3 R up, you know, which is around, if I risk 16 euros, that's already around 5 euros up. But okay, whatever. Let's stick to the strategy. Let's stick to the rules that we have written in advance, and then we make trade based on that. Okay, good. So we respected this fair value gap on the upside. I mean this 4-hour fair value gap, so that's good. We respected both of those, so yeah, we are good to go. You see, we are taking all of those positions out, you know, all of those people who were selling here at the beginning are now getting stopped out, okay? Or maybe we are doing a retrace, maybe we go up and then down again, so who knows, you know, we do whatever stock market gives us, okay? So we need to be flexible. What's going on with this, man? Ah, by the way, we have now here inverse fair value gap. 5 min IFVG. Okay, and then if we close this candle here above, we also have an inverse fair value gap here with this candlestick as well. But my chart is getting kinda clogged, eh? I don't like this at all, man. At all. Too much drawings, honestly. I want my chart to be nice and clean, you know what I'm saying? What I would now want to see, what I would want to see is this, that we go now down, okay, we go down, we close, we go up, we close, we go down, we close, so that then we move this blue line from here down to here, and then we go up just a little bit, we close, and then here we would break structure to the top or to the upside, so we would be in a bullish trend, and then down and then up, okay? Because I rather take position down here rather than here on the top, because then I make more money, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see what the market gives us, okay? Nothing is for sure on the market, and market doesn't do whatever we want, but market does whatever it wants, okay? He's just a person. Market is a person who is actually your best friend, and you never know what market will give you, okay? You never know what your best friend is gonna do. He's gonna prank you, he's gonna slap you, he's gonna call you, he's gonna text you, whatever. You never know what your best friend does, okay? And same is with the market, okay? Market is just a person who yeah, has its own mood. Okay, right now market is in a bad mood, but maybe right now market is getting in a good mood. You know what I'm saying? So, and we cannot change someone else's mood. You know what I'm saying? So, for example, if your parents are in a bad mood, or your sister or a brother or whatever, you know, you can try only so much to improve their mood, but their mood will ultimately improve by themselves. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it. Okay, good. We went up. We took out this 1 hour high, I guess. Nah, what was this? Was this even a 1 hour high? No, that was nothing. What was that line even? Fuck me. Ah shit, here we had another 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, good. We closed. Maybe is this 4 hour? This black line. Nah, this black line is nothing, man. It's nothing. Okay, look, we broke structure to the upside, okay? How do I know? Because this was the last high that we did. And then we broke above it, okay? We closed above it, okay? So now we are in bullish trend. And now we have the potential to reverse, okay? So what I did is I marked this order block. I marked this order block, and now I'm gonna, and we touched already the order block, so I'm gonna go now to the 1 minute chart, and I'm gonna wait now for what? What am I gonna wait for? I'm gonna wait that we make a downtrend, okay? I'm waiting for break of structure to the downside, so that we go to the order block somewhere here, okay? Preferably here in let me also mark equilibrium. So this was the latest low up to this point. Okay, like this. I am waiting that preferably the price goes down to here, okay, to this field between 0.5 and 0.618. Okay, in the meantime, we will here create a bearish trend, but on the 5 minute we are still gonna be on the bullish one, okay? And then we make a break of structure to the upside, we make a bullish break of structure, and then I enter, okay, let's say I enter here, take a stop loss below those highs, and then boom, trade, okay? That's the idea. Okay, I'm gonna take another color, I'm gonna draw another line, which is gonna be a blue line, but slightly higher, thicker, okay? Down, up. Okay, we are here. We need to break below this line so that we are then in a 1 minute break of, that we are in a 1 minute bearish trend, okay? Okay, we are printing down. That's already a good sign. Okay. Still no red candle. We are still in uptrend. We are still in a bullish trend. I would like to click buy right now, but we need to stay patient. Whenever you have those voices in your head that tell you, okay, go buy, or sell, because you're gonna miss out on the opportunity, just ignore them, okay? Because literally every time that you are gonna click buy or sell, the price will go into a reverse direction, okay? So just ignore those voices, tell those voices, fuck off, and we should be fine. Okay, we are patient. Okay, we have plenty of opportunities every single day on the market. Okay, maybe you could start printing money right now here, maybe you could enter a trade right now here or here or here, you know, like we have, look, market always goes up and down, up and down, up and down, so technically we always have nice opportunities. Okay, look, for example, here, think liquidity sweep, we go up, you see, so we have opportunities everywhere and all the time, and stock market exists since 17th century. Okay, and the opportunities are here. Okay, so the stock market is not going anywhere because there are so many people who are making money with the stock market that why would they want to get rid of that money that they are making, you know, that just doesn't make sense. So yeah, don't worry about the market. Okay, here we are, let's see how it goes. Okay, now we are printing. You see, if I would buy here, I would be already in minus. Not too much, but still, you know. Ah, shit, okay. I guess we missed the trade. At least it looks like that. But let's see. Let's just stay patient. In worst case scenario, bro, what would happen in worst case scenario is we didn't do the trade, we didn't win, but we also didn't lose, okay? So we are good. We can survive one more day with trading, okay? So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, we created 1 hour candle. It seems that here it would be. You see what a nice liquidity sweep, eh? Tuck, we swept liquidity and then bam, we print upwards. Ah, but here on the 5-minute chart we have a little slightly different story. Okay, so here we have the low. Now that we are in a bullish trend, okay, I'm monitoring the lows, okay, so here we have the low, okay. Now let's see, when this candle closes, we will be, the low is gonna be here, okay, and then we have the potential to go down. Let's take a look. Okay, 1 minute low is here. Let's take a look what happens. Patience space, okay. Wow, that's a nice song. That's the perfect song for trading, man. That's the perfect song for trading. Shit, I'm gonna go drink some water, man. I'm thirsty as hell. Okay. What is going on? What is going on? You see, if I would buy here, I would be again a little bit nervous because the price is going down, you know? So that's why we stay patient. That's why we stay patient, bro. We stay patient. We stay patient. We are like tigers, you know, hunting in the jungle, preying on our prey. And our prey are naive people who are buying and selling without any confirmation whatsoever, okay? We are preying on nice. Okay, nice. We are in downtrend now, hopefully. Hopefully. Good. Okay, now we are in downtrend. I would still like to see the price go down. That would be amazing. But let's see what happens. Okay, we are... Okay. We are here. Okay, good. As long as the price doesn't go through the order block, even with a wick, the price must not go through the order block, then we are still good to go.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
My chair is a little bit strange, man. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, come on guys. I hope that the price will go down here. Here we will have so nice buying opportunities. But okay, whatever I want doesn't matter. Let's just follow the market. Let's see what happens. If we don't get any opportunity until 4 o'clock, so in 1 more hour, I'm going and fuck the trade, and we're gonna come trade tomorrow.
Saturated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still. Hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
This song reminds me of 2022, man, when I was having my first car thanks to my parents, and I was driving to university, and I remember this was the first song on my playlist, bro, when I had some motivational playlist. And because at that time I was having some tough things, you know, so I downloaded motivational playlist and I was driving with a car, and this song was the first one I remember when I drove to the motorway, and then just chilling and driving and gas, man, amazing. Those were the times, man. I just got notification on my phone, because I'm recording with my telephone, that something happened with the camera. I don't know what, but if the video will not work anymore, or if this video will suddenly break down, like Don't worry, I'm sorry for that. But yeah, my telephone storage is probably quite full already because I have so many apps and shit. So I don't be surprised. But it seems that perhaps we will do the trade because we are printing upwards slowly and slowly. I mean downwards. So what we are waiting now again is the price preferably to go below this 0.5 line, or even better between those two lines, 0.5 and 0.618, and then close in a bullish trend. Okay, so having a bullish break of structure, and then we just start ripping upwards. I hope that this will happen. Of course, whatever I hope is not important. Okay, the market gives us whatever it wants. I'm always saying that, and I always will say that. But yeah, let's see. Here we had one 5-minute sweep. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that song doesn't sound that good. Because, bro, I'm not quite sure. We have a bearish bias. And here we came into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. I'm not sure now anymore, bro. I'm having some doubts. Let's just observe the market and then let's see what happens, okay? Ah, wait, let me see here something. Nah, it's alright. It's alright.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you.
Wait, let me see if we have here also some 4-hour fair value gaps. Yeah, we have the one on the top and then we have those here on the bottom. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, yeah, okay, this one 1 hour here. Okay, let's just see, man. Let's just see. Whatever happens, happens. Let's just take a look and see what happens.
I will catch you. The time it goes.
Okay, it seems that we are printing now. I'm gonna start building my position. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay, I'm gonna edit this video because I'm gonna edit this out now because I don't want that you see what broker am I using, because I don't want that you hack my profile or something, you know, because people are strange nowadays. I'm not saying you are strange, but maybe some fucking weirdo will see my broker and then he gonna be like, oh, Yasha is using that, let's steal his money. Not that I'm a millionaire, but yeah, you never know, man. You never know. Okay, now we are in a bullish trend, even though we have this candle here downwards. I still want to see what happens, because I'm not fully convinced. I'm not fully convinced, bro. When we get a green candle, maybe then I will enter. Let me just see if I draw everything correctly. Yeah, okay, wait. Here we also have 5-minute low. Nah, nothing happened. Why? Because we broke structure and then here we had 1-minute order block, and the price must, in order for other order block to be respected, the price must not go through it, okay? And then here the price went through it, so nothing will happen, okay? Nothing will happen with the trade so far. Let's take a look. We broke structure to the downside again on 5-minute. If we close in 3 minutes this candle, because 5-minute break of structure is also here. I don't know what I'm doing, man. 5-minute break of structure is also here on this line, okay? Like that. Let's take a look. Okay, we broke structure on the 1-minute again to the downside. We touched equilibrium. Maybe now we will have a nice opportunity, but let's take a look what's happening on the 5-minute. Yeah, we touched into this 5-minute fair value gap. I guess that's a good sign.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do?
Ah, yeah, man, we broke structure again to the downside on the 5 minute.
A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud.
Let's see what happens, bro.
On the run. Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running low.
But nah, that's actually good. Even if the price is going down, that's good because it's way better to buy here rather than here on the top, you know? Because then we have actually like already half a better entry, you know? I need to shave as well, man. I have a fucking crazy ass beard. Not that crazy, but in my opinion, crazy. Oh, what's happening now? Come on. Oh, yeah, man. Stock market is today a little bit naughty.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. reckoned with your darkest fears, but don't pretend the devil's disappeared. Rainbow stars rising from the thunderstorm.
Oh, yeah, okay, let's see how it goes. We have 30 more minutes to do the trade. We are not gonna force anything, but yeah, that's it. Okay, now we are printing up a little bit. If we close this candle above the line, we broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute, but 1 minute is nothing too crazy, you know. Higher time frames hold higher power.
Feel you free of the sound loud of heaven, so revered. A island in the sun, rainbow skies rising from the thunderstorm. Oh, my falling star, sparkling from afar. Said I could smooth the shore. The place where we belong. Said I could smooth the shore. The place where we belong.
Oh yeah, let's see. 30 more minutes and then I go to the pool and then we are good to go. Shit, wait. Okay. Okay, we broke structure to the upside on 1 minute. Here is 1 minute order block. If the price will respect it, the price will not go through the bottom side of this order block, okay? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Okay, we are coming now down to the order block, perhaps. In 1 minute we will take a look what is going on the 5-minute chart. I'm quite tempted to buy right now here, but patience, patience. Oh, we broke structure, maybe again to the downside. Okay, the melody of this song is quite nice. We still haven't broken the structure to the downside, but we are on the, yeah, okay. Don't count the chickens before they are hatched, right? We are now printing down. Or actually not. Actually not. Wow, okay. You see, this is the market, you know, the market does whatever it wants and we are just observing. We are just stalking the market, stalking it, you know. Just like you are stalking your crush on Instagram, bro. Okay, we have now 5-minute high right now here, then maybe we can again break structure to the upside, who knows. Ah yeah, this order block is not valid anymore anyway. But I'm still gonna keep it, because we already, why is this not valid anymore? Because we already broke structure again to the downside, you know, so now we have this order block here technically. This would be now a new order block, you know. But let's see what happens. If we close above on the 5-minute, above here, then that's a good sign. Maybe we can do something. Patience, space, patience, space. Patience, space. Patience, space. Ah, yeah. Okay, let's see what's the Discord. Nothing much going on, man. Nothing much going on. Okay, 20 more minutes. If we don't enter in the, if we don't get a nice trade without forcing in 20 minutes, I'm gonna go to the pool. And I'm gonna make a nice long session. Nice, okay, we are above the 5-minute break of structure line. Nah, not this. Let's see. Wow, now we are printing. Now we are printing. Or are we? Let's see, let's see. Last minute before we break structure to the upside on the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna switch to here. Is this 1 hour fair value gap still respected? Yeah, it is, yeah. Okay, this is most likely going to be 1 hour high. Yes, sir. We broke structure on 5-minute. Now what I am waiting for now, bro, is bearish trend on 1 minute, and then when we break structure to the upside with 1 minute chart, then I'm gonna enter bullish. I'm gonna enter long. What I would like to see, this is of course what I would want, okay, is that the price goes down just a little bit, closes and then it goes up again, closes, and then we have a bearish trend within the 5-minute order block, and then bullish trend with outside of the 5-minute order block, and then we enter, and then we target this high right now here, this, we target all of this, man, and we make some nice spread, just like yesterday. Yesterday it was a nice spread, bro. Have we closed? No. Okay, 8 gigabytes of camera, bro. 8 gigabytes. Shit. I think I have altogether 10 giga, so if in the next 10 minutes we don't enter a trade, then I'm just gonna quit, and that's it. Good, we are in a bearish trend right now. Let's respect the order block and let's go. Let's just start printing, man. Let's start printing. Okay, so from this low up to this high. Nah, I don't know if I like it. Let's see. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, we have this low now. I don't like the look of that, but okay, let's see what happens. If the price grows through, yeah, okay, this became invalid. Shit, I guess no trade today, boys, no trade today. We have 10 more minutes, but I don't know, I don't want to force it. Yeah, that's it, boys. I'm not gonna force anything. Oh, yeah, okay. This is just the market, as chaotic as it is. And I'm gonna go now to the pool. So take care, do the hard work, and see you on top of the world.